Women should be safe to enjoy a match.
Women should be safe to walk to training.
Merched, nhw'n fod yn ddiogel wrth fynd i'r gwaith.
Women should be safe in the day.
Merched nhw fod yn ddiogel yn y nos.
Nowhere should be a place of fear.
Sexual harassment is never okay. Nid yw aflonyddu rhwyol byth yn dderbyniol.
It shouldn't be downplayed.
Does dim esgus.
There is no excuse.
We're calling on men and boys across Wales to support the Call Out Only campaign and not to commit, condone or play along with sexual harassment.
Os wyt ti'n gweld yn un o'r pethau hyn, yna safiad a herio nhw'n ddiogel.
If you see it or hear it, report it or call it out if safe to do so.
We want to keep our environment free from sexual harassment.
Rydym ni eisiau cadw ein hamgylchedd yn rydd o aflonyddu rywiol.
Let's all be part of the solution and help to promote a culture of equality and respect.